Good morning, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Nikki. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I budget for gas every single week. So on Sundays, usually I reset for the week and I start off by filling up my gas tank. But today is actually Monday. It's 8:06 a.m. and I'm off of work today. So that's the reason why I'm actually filling up today. I just dropped my son off at school and I needed to come to Walmart anyway. So I said, you know what, instead of doing it on Sunday, I'm gonna go ahead and do it on Monday after I drop my son off, because I gotta go to Walmart anyway, and I didn't want to be making like 2 trips. So Sunday I did not do anything, did not come out the house. And I'm gonna just show you how I actually budget for gas. So I budget $60 a week for gas. And how I come up with that amount, because people are like, how do you always know, the amount to budget for gas? And it's because I pay attention to what's going on at the gas station. So when I come to the gas station, the first thing I do is I look at the price of gas. Now, I've been doing this for a few years now, but if I was starting from scratch and I was trying to figure out my gas budget, what I would do is, when I come to the gas station, I will look at the price of gas. If it's over, let's say for me, if it's over $3.50, I know I need to probably raise my budget. If it's below $3.50, I know I'm okay with the amount that I'm budgeting, because every time that I fill up, I'm also looking at how much did I actually spend. So I'm not one of those people that goes in and say, let me get 20 on pump 5 or let me get 10 here or there. I go ahead and fill up every single time when I'm at the gas station. So I'm right here at the gas station today, and I wanted to exactly just walk you through how I actually do this and show you the price of gas, where my gas tank is at right now currently, because that all plays a part in it as well. When I'm filling up on Sunday, I don't wait until my gas tank is on E. So right now I still have 3 notches. It's on Monday. Today is Monday. I still have 3 notches, and I'm still gonna fill up. I'm not gonna wait for my car to get on E or wait for the light to come on for me to fill up. I'm gonna create a routine for myself and do this, because once you get in the habit of doing it, it becomes easier and easier. So I'm gonna get out my car. Well, first I'm gonna show you my gas tank, where it's at, and then I'm gonna get out so we can see what the price of gas is, because I'm not even exactly sure. I'm at a new, this is not the usual gas station I normally go to, because the one that I go to actually have the price of gas on the top, but this one do not. So I'm gonna show you where I'm at, and then I'm gonna take you to the pump. So this is where I'm at, 3 notches on the gas, and I'm in the Jeep today. Usually I have to fill up the Jeep twice a week, so those digital notches down there, they go so freaking quick. Like, I don't like it at all. But the other car is down right now, so I have to work with what I have. Okay, so we see the price of gas. The unleaded is $2.79. Unleaded plus is $3.09. And super unleaded is $3.39. Now, I usually just go for unleaded because this car actually takes 85. And I'm not finna be riding all over the city of Atlanta trying to figure out who got 85 gas. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put 87 for $2.79. Then also you wanna be filling in this information, because you can get 10 cents off once you hit that. I think it's 100 points. Don't hold me to that, but you can get some money off. So as you can see, I ended up spending $26.37 to fill up my gas tank. So that's a little under the $30. And I know it's going to be under, hopefully, the whole entire $60, but we will see by Saturday or Sunday when I have to put another $60 into the account to fill up the gas tank for the week. So that is how I budget for gas. I just come in, pay attention to the price of gas, see how much it usually costs me to fill up, and start just really paying attention to that. And then at the end of the month, I kind of like just add everything up and see how much I exactly spent, and then kind of divide that by however many times that I actually filled up that week. So that is pretty much how I budget for gas. I just start paying attention to the price of gas and how much it's costing me to actually fill up, and I just times that by however many times that I fill up, and I kind of like round up a little bit just to give myself a little bit of a buffer. If you like this video, make sure you check out this Sunday reset where I show you how I budget as a cashless spender and how I plan out my week, and I will see you there.